BTS just finished their last comeback stage for Love Yourself Her, and I'm surprised that any of us survived the disrespect tbh. Here was my life for the past few months, so have some shit.
3 weeks later.
Yes.
이 모든 건 우연이 아냐 그냥 나의 느낌으로 온 세상이 어제와는 달라 그냥 너의 기쁨으로.
It's honestly unfair. It's like if I took sparkles, mixed it with some rainbows, mixed it with other cute boys, it still wouldn't match up to Jimin. The scale is off.
I could talk about this album trailer for literally days, about how Namjoon wrote this song and was so excited for Jimin to sing it because Rap Monster is realistically the president of the Mochi fan club, and of course Jimin was so perfect and his voice makes Angel sound like man rakes, and I love him so much I don't know how to deal with anything related to him. Someone help me please.
Hey, stop it! Sweat. Whoa, back up.
Jesus Christ.
Finally, after teasers and dramas and trailers and promise and everything, it was comeback day.
Oh my god! Okay, it's happening! Everybody stay calm! What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm!
I'm not ready!
What the fuck does that mean?
널 알아보게 됐어 내 혈관 뒤에 내가 말해줘 우리 만남을 수학의 공식 Take it 우리 완전 달라 baby 이런 건 우연이 아니니까 만 집중해 좀 더 세게 날 이끄네 널 원하는데 baby I'm gonna be bitch what the fuck I came in like a wrecking ball 후회하지 마라 baby 영원히 함께니까 걱정하지